Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're mastering how to cook the ultimate pork chop with a rich pan sauce, a perfect sear, and restaurant-level flavor. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the best pork chop. Bone and center cut pork chop. Retains juiciness and deep flavor. Fat cap left on. Adds richness and enhances texture. Thick cut chops at least 1.5 inches. Prevents drying out during cooking. Step 2. Prepping and seasoning for maximum flavor. Pat the pork dry. Removes excess moisture for the perfect sear. Generous salt and pepper. Seasoning. Creates a flavorful crust. Season the fat cap. Helps with extra crispiness and depth of flavor. Step 3. The perfect searing technique. Use a heavy pan, cast iron preferred. Retains heat for an even sear. Heat the pan to medium-high with neutral oil. Ensures even browning. Lay the pork chop away from you. Prevents oil splatter. Sear until deep golden brown. 3 to 4 minutes per side. Locks in juices. Step 4. Basting with butter and aromatics. Add butter, garlic, and fresh thyme. Infuses rich, herby flavors. Tilt the pan and spoon butter over the pork. Creates an ultra-crispy, golden crust. Check the temperature. Aim for 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for medium doneness. Step 5. Resting and making the ultimate pan sauce. Rest the pork chop for 5 to 7 minutes. Juices redistribute for tenderness. Deglaze the pan with apple brandy. Adds depth and richness. Add mustard and heavy cream. Balances acidity with creamy texture. Finish with butter and fresh parsley. Enhances the sauce's silkiness. Step 6. Plating and serving. Spoon sauce generously on the plate. A flavorful base for the pork chop. Place the chop on top and garnish with fresh herbs. Adds a restaurant-quality touch. Serve with roasted veggies or mashed potatoes. Perfect pairings for a complete meal. Now you know how to make the perfect pork chop at home. What's your go-to sauce for pork chops? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to master more restaurant-style meals? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert cooking techniques.